Python programming language. Range. Explore the range function, syntax, parameters, and applications. The range function in Python is used to generate sequences of numbers. It follows the syntax register, stop, step, where start defaults to 0, and step defaults to 1 if they are not specified. The range function uses 3 parameters, start, stop, and step. Start sets where the sequence begins. Stop is the endpoint but not included, and step defines how much to increment between numbers. Range is often used in for loops to control iteration, allowing for efficient handling of large sequences. It simplifies loop syntax by providing a clear way to specify the number of iterations. Range objects, immutable and memory efficient, as they generate numbers on demand. They support indexing and slicing, making them versatile for various operations. While range objects, similar to lists, they are more memory efficient as they do not store values directly. Range is ideal for handling large sequences where memory usage is a concern. Thank you for your time. You can find the content, examples, and our contacts in the video description. If you like this, give us a thumbs up and subscribe. We create video series for product, brand, and tech promotions. Feel free to reach out.